Assalamu Alaikum everyone. In the previous video, we understood Miqat and where to enter Ihram. Now let's understand Niyyah and Talbiyah because this is the moment when Ihram actually begins. So let us understand what is Niyyah. Niyyah means intention. It is the intention in your heart that you are performing Umrah for the sake of Allah. Do you have to say Niyyah out loud? This is a common question. Niyyah is made in the heart, not necessarily spoken. However, many people say it softly to help themselves focus, and that is okay. When to make Niyyah? You should make Niyyah when you are at the Miqat or just before crossing it. If you are traveling by flight, make Niyyah when the pilot announces Miqat or shortly before reaching it. Here is an important clarity. If you are wearing Ihram from home, do not make Niyyah at home. Make Niyyah only near the Miqat. This is when Ihram actually begins. Let us understand what to say for Niyyah. You can simply intend in your heart, or you can say Labbaik Allahumma Umrah, which means, "O Allah, I am here to perform Umrah." Now let's understand what is Talbiyah. Talbiyah is a special dua that you recite after making Niyyah. It is a declaration that you are hazir before Allah. You can see the Talbiyah words on my screen right now. The meaning of the Talbiyah is simple. It means, "Here I am, O Allah, here I am. You have no partner. All praise, blessings, and kingdom belong to you." How often should you recite Talbiyah? You should recite Talbiyah frequently after entering Ihram. Especially while traveling, after prayers, when changing places, men should recite it aloud and women should recite it softly. When to stop Talbiyah? You stop reciting Talbiyah when you begin Tawaf. Here are some of the common mistakes. Making Niyyah too early or forgetting to recite Talbiyah, thinking Ihram starts with clothes instead of intention, not knowing the words of Talbiyah. So here is a simple rule to understand. Ihram begins with Niyyah and Talbiyah, not with clothing. In the next video, we'll learn how to perform Tawaf step by step. May Allah accept your Umrah and make it easy for you. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe and watch the other videos in this series for a complete guide to Umrah.